Todd with NC Solar Electric. I've been designing, building, troubleshooting, and managing solar and power systems for a long time. I've worked on residential systems, commercial systems, utility-scale solar, energy storage, inverters, interconnections, inspections, and the ugly problems that show up after somebody already bought the wrong equipment. So when I tell you this, I'm not guessing. A DIY solar project should not start with shopping. It should start with a real engineered plan set. Not a napkin sketch, not a generic internet diagram, not this guy on YouTube used these parts, so I bought the same thing. A real plan set. That plan set should answer the important questions before you spend the money. Where do the panels go? How many actually fit? What inverter is correct? What wire size is required? Where does the conduit run? What breaker size is allowed? Can your main panel accept the backfeed? Do you need a line-side tap? Do you need rapid shutdown? What labels and placards are required? What does the utility need? What is the inspector going to look for? These are not side issues. These are the project. This is where DIY solar jobs fail. People buy panels, inverters, batteries, racking, wire, breakers, and disconnects first. Then they discover the roof layout does not work. The electrical panel is wrong. The utility application does not match the system. The battery design is incomplete, or the inspector will not approve what they built. By then, the money is already spent. Now the project is stalled, the customer is frustrated, and every correction is more expensive than it needed to be. That is why I push people so hard to start with the engineered plan set. A good plan set is the roadmap. It ties together the equipment, layout, electrical design, grounding, disconnects, rapid shutdown, utility requirements, permit requirements, labels, code references, and inspection expectations. It finds the problems early, when they are still cheap to fix. That is the real value. The plan set is not just paperwork for the building department. It is the difference between a controlled project and a guessing game. And after all these years in solar, power electronics, interconnection, and system troubleshooting, I can tell you plainly, guessing is expensive. DIY solar can absolutely work, but it has to be engineered before it is installed. So my first solar rescue rule is simple. Before you buy the equipment, get the plan. And if you already bought the equipment and you're stuck, that's okay. That is exactly what Solar Rescue is for. Go to ncsolarelectric.com and request a Solar Rescue review. I'll help you figure out what you have, what is missing, what will not pass, and what needs to happen next. Start with the plan. It saves money. It saves time. It avoids bad equipment decisions, and it keeps a solar project from turning into a very expensive mess. Please like this video and subscribe to the DIY Solar Helpdesk. Then go to www.ncsolarelectric.com and book a call today.